Waalaikum, nama saya Yao Bun Song. Ni hari saya kat Breakfield mau tanya orang Tamil. Corangnya cakapan Tamil. Macam baca dalam cakapan Tamil. Wamnya mah dulu ialah belajar sekolah Inggeris. Ketemu saya cakap Tamil. Dia kata, bukan Tamil, tu Tamil. Mana satu yang betul? Lagi banyak saya tanya orang Tamil ke sini. Tamil atau Tamil? Right now, I'm at Jalan Sultan Abdul Samad. There's a lady selling some plants over here.
Nama saya Saktiawani. Ya.
Apakah bahasa ibunda Anda?
Tamil. Tamil.
How to say your language in your mother tongue?
Di sama Indian tak? Indian. Biar Indian lah.
No. Okay, like
The language?
yeah, the language.
Language what we spoke in the house or what?
In Malay, we call bahasa Melayu. And then how about in your mother tongue? How you call your language?
Tamil lah nama mother tongue. Tamil Moli.
Tamil.
Moli, yes.
Miss, what's your name?
My name is Pushpa.
Okay, what is your mother tongue?
Tamil.
Tamil. Okay, do you know how to write Tamil? How do you call your mother tongue in your language?
Tamil.
What are you selling? This.
Pickles. Homemade pickles.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you, Nanri.
Vanakkam. Nandri vanakkam.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
Gurjan Singh.
What is your mother tongue?
Yeah.
What is your mother tongue?
In Punjabi language.
Do you know how to write Punjabi?
Yeah.
Do you know how to write down to this Punjabi? Okay, thank you.
My name is Padmavati.
What is your mother tongue?
Mother tongue Tamil.
Tamil. So how do you say your language in your mother tongue?
Mother tongue in Tamil Moli.
Nari, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Rajendran,
What is your mother tongue?
Tamil,
Okay, how to say your mother tongue in your mother tongue?
Tamil,
My name is Satyam.
Satyam.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Tamil.
How do you call your mother tongue in your language?
Tamil.
Do you know how to write Tamil?
Yeah, I'm Tamil school.
Sekarang saya ada bukti lah. Tamil tu Tamil, bukan Tamil.